Hi, Professor. How are you doing today? I have a very personal situation I'd like to talk to you. And do you have time right now? Sure. How can I help you? I really don't know how to start, but 2 months ago, my brother passed away. And we have a family business. And right now, I need to do his part of the job, and my mom has depression, so I need to take care of my little brothers, and I'm having a very difficult time to be able to work and juggle all the classes and take care of my little kids and take care of my mom. So I know that we have assignments coming up, and I really didn't want to ask that, but my situation is very unique. So well, that is very unfortunate, and I'm very sorry for what you and your family are going through, but I'll make no exceptions. If you don't submit the assignment on time, you will receive a 0. You know, during my life as a student, I had very difficult moments, and I always made sure I fulfilled my expectations as a student. And I'm sure that you will be able to figure it out as well, as long as you want it enough. So there is no excuses. And no, I will not make any exceptions.